Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in this bag here, it feels like a rock, but it's a cushion. It's just super vacuum packed. I love it when they vacuum pack stuff so incredibly much, and it just makes it fun to open. So these are some Chaise lounge chairs cushions. If I can take off the outside plastic and then the inside plastic. So just give me a second here. So there we go. So here is the rock. And now if I open this up, the air should go in and it should expand. Let's see if I did it right. Okay, and here we go. Oh, you know what I have to do? I have to open the plastic. And so, look at this. This thing would never fit back in there again because this is huge. So here we go. So now we have a nice big cushion for our outdoor furniture. I'm gonna go out there and put it on and show you guys what it looks like with it on. Okay, we're outside now and you can tell which one I have the cushion on and which one I don't. So which one would you rather sit in? I know which one I wanna sit in. I wanna sit in the cushy one. So I'm guessing though I'll never get to use it because my girlfriend will wanna use it. But this is it here. It's super comfortable. Oh my gosh, I sat in it when I put it on here and it was easy to put on. I didn't even tie it down yet. Penny likes it too already. But it just basically, this just goes over the top. I don't know if you can see it there. It's going into the sun. There we go. That just slides over, just kind of like that stretchy stuff over there. And then you can tie those onto the corners and that'll just hold it in place. So it'll stay on in the wind and stuff. But super cool, super comfy. And I'm all set now to be comfortable. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.